sipping on my lean and I'm
What's up, gang? We are here. We made it to the spot. This place is absolutely gorgeous, man. Got the yak in the water. Got a buddy that's supposed to be coming out here with me. Not sure what time he's gonna show up, but we got about 5 hours to really get into it. So we are definitely gonna take full advantage of that. And we're gonna try to beat this whole thing up as much as possible. The water is crystal clear, so there's not much else to say about it. I mean, it's really clear out here. There's a ton of grass over here in this back corner that I'm definitely gonna hit up with some top water. Yeah, man, it's just lots of good places out here for fish to be hiding. I think we're gonna hopefully have us a good morning. So yeah, I'm gonna switch this over to the GoPro. We're gonna jump in the boat and we're gonna get right to it. Has to be a turtle. Oh, it's a bass. It's a bass. We got one, baby. We got one. We got our first fish. We got our first one. Grab the net so we don't lose them. Oh, we got our first bass. Oh. Yeah, baby. First one, look at that, first catch of the day. Finally, off that reckless jigs. Finally just got our first catch of the day off that reckless jigs over here off this tree. And yeah, man, it's a good one right there. Solid, baby. got one. We got us one. That's that one that was just over there. Oh, that's a good fish too. Oh, yes. Got us another one, baby. That is a good fish too. On that wacky rig. That's a good fish right there. Very good fish. Look at that. Oh yeah, he's solid. It's a good sized fish. Literally just threw that right over there. And he came right out at it. Ooh, we got another one back. So we got 16 inches right there. Look at that. Almost 16, 15 and a half. Yeah, it's a good fish. Let's get him back in the water. And one just jumped back there in the back. We're gonna go ahead and toss him back out there and we're gonna get us another one. All right, guys, first day back in the kayak in almost 8 months, and we did not get skunked. We caught two. First one was decent. We got him on a Reckless Jigs with a Bandito bug trailer, and then we got our second one on a wacky rig, man. We almost had three, but yeah, we ended up catching two, and he hit that one off the top. I pitched it right into some grass, and he smashed it right on top of the water on the fall, and I mean, it worked out. I switched out my wacky rig hooks to some Gamakatsu weedless worm hooks, and man, those things really worked out. I didn't end up losing the fish. Yeah, man, we will definitely be back out here again. Pierce did not show up, so boo to you, Pierce. You missed out on a decent day, man. We got rained on a little bit, but that's all right. So yeah, man, I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna end this video on that note. And as always, man, if you like what I'm doing, you love what I'm doing, if you hate what I'm doing, please leave me some feedback down there in them comments, and by all means, as always, like, comment, and subscribe, and check back in with your boy, That Bass Fishing Dude, on the next video. So yeah, That Bass Fishing Dude out. Peace.